Hello guys, welcome back to LeetCode. So in our SQL series of solving LeetCode questions, I'm back with another brand new question, customers who bought all products. Okay, so let's start with the question. Here we have a customer table. Okay, and this customer table contains two columns, customer ID and product key. And we have a product table which contains a column product key, which is the primary key of that table. Okay, now in this table the customer ID is not null. Okay, and this table may contain duplicate values, no issue. Now what we have to do is we have to write a solution to report the customer IDs from the customer table that bought all the products from product table. Okay, so we have to write the SQL query to report that the customers from customer table brought all the products from product table. Okay, that means that customer ID includes all the product key from product tables. If you look at the example over here, we have a customer table and we have a product table, and here are customer IDs and here are product keys, and in the product table there are only two product keys, that is 5 and 6, and in the customer table customer ID 1 and customer ID 3 include both the product keys. Okay, that means that customer ID 1 and customer ID 3 brought all the products from product table. Okay, and here we have our output. So we have to write the query for same. So let's start with the query, not a difficult question. So we will select our customer column, customer ID column from our customer table. Okay, and we will group it. We will group our customer ID column. Okay, why are we grouping it? You will get to know in further video. Okay, now what we will do is we will apply having clause over here. Okay, now this having clause will filter out our condition that which customer bought all the products from product table. Okay, having what? Having count. Here we are using count function. Distinct product equals to that, take the count of product keys from that customer ID with the customer product table. Okay, so here we will apply a subquery where we will get the count of all the product keys present in product table. Okay, so count star from our product table. Okay, so here we use the having clause which checks the count of product key in customer table if it is equal to the total number of product keys present in product table. Okay, we will run this and we will check if it is correct or not. Okay, so our query is correct and let's submit it. So one more thing I want to highlight over here is you must be thinking that why we haven't used a where clause instead of having clause. Okay, so here we have to first group the customer IDs. We have to get a group of all the customer IDs who have bought products from product table. Okay, so having clause is always used after group by clause. Okay, whereas where clause is used before group by. So here the need of the question was that you have to group the customer ID because you get the total number of products that customer bought from product table. Okay, so here we grouped it and then we applied a having clause, and having clause is always used when there is something related to aggregate functions, and here we are comparing the count, and count is an aggregate function. Okay, so this was about this query. Do practice the same question in your LeetCode and let me know in comment section if it is helping. Share it with your friends. Happy coding. Bye bye.